So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me?
Hey guys, good morning or good afternoon. I just got my package from Amazon. I went ahead and ordered one of those raised garden beds from Amazon. So it just got here. So me and Sydney are about to put it together and get started. I'm so excited. I don't know what we're going to do today, but we're definitely about to put it together.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. guess the stars about to let us know how to go. When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go who can go slow, wind it up all night, baby take your time, let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes in the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is falling. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, must get in and lift my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and
It's about the experience.
As y'all can see, we have totally messed up. So Jason is having to come in and redo it. This is what I get for listening to Sydney. Okay.
You read the directions too.
I did not read them. I don't read directions. I don't read
promise your mom
directions.
didn't read them.
I don't read directions. But yeah,
It's not. It's about the journey.
Jason is irritated with all of us. Okay, because we should just let him
He's
do it
gonna
in the
do
first
it
place.
anyways.
I don't know if we forgot to put the board in. I think we were supposed to put the bottom piece in. I think. I'm not too sure.
Yeah.
We're supposed to put that, you know, the flat part in. This is Sydney's phone.
Leave me alone. I tried my best.
I'm just kidding, but we failed miserably. We tried though. We were just trying to do it on our own so we can have that satisfaction of the girls doing it. But yeah, anyway. you guys, I'm not 100% sure y'all can see me, but we're done. Well, I don't know what Sydney is really teaching me because I don't know. We're going to be learning together, okay? And I'm doing this, I think, pretty late, so we're only growing what we can grow right now because I wanted to do lettuce and all that stuff, but it's too late in the season, so we're going to do cucumbers, tomatoes, serrano peppers, jalapeno peppers, and something else. But we eat a lot of that. Like, I stockpile on that from the grocery store. So this is a fun hobby of mine. We will see how it goes. And fun fact, I am afraid of critters, okay? So, but I'm going to face my fears while I'm doing this because I really want to start growing things instead of buying them from the grocery store. So it's just a hobby that I somehow got interested in. My mother-in-law does it too, and Sydney loves, y'all know she loves plants and all that stuff, so she's very happy and willing to help me get this started, and hopefully I will be able to get this started before she comes home next year. Well, I don't know. I don't even, yeah. Anyway, so we are going to just let this sit and, what is it called? Germinate? What is it called? Just sitting.
I don't know the
Okay.
actual name for it.
So we're just gonna kind of let that sit. And I started out with one because I want to make sure, you know what I mean, this is something that I really want to do. And then I will just add on, maybe buy 3 or 4 more, you know what I mean, as I get better with this. So, but right now I'm going to start with one, and hopefully you guys are excited to take this journey with me because I do. I want to start gardening. I want to start canning and just kind of storing up meals. I'm just having so much fun watching YouTube videos about this. I just didn't even know this was a thing. I'm not lying. I mean, because this is nothing that my grandparents did or anything like that. So, you know, it's something that I stumbled up on. What's wrong? No, because I'm not going to go in there and use them. Okay, so, but yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little update, and that's what I'm going to do. And you guys give me any tips as I go along doing this stuff. If you see me doing something wrong, I am okay with you guys letting me know if I can do something else or whatever. So I'm going to try to, you know, take you guys out here with me a lot while I'm starting all this stuff. So, y'all look at my baby. She is really helpful. I'm so proud of my little starter garden. I really am. Sydney, what are we making? Jalapenos, serrano peppers, tomatoes, and cucumbers. And that's it? Yeah. She's also planting flowers, whatever is compatible with the fruit. I don't know. I did buy a book, though. I'm going to show you guys what book I bought. I bought a book, and it has a lot of information in there for me. So, because Sydney's probably not going to be here all summer next year. So, but I definitely want to be able to start it myself. You leaving? Hey y'all, so I just got the package. So if you are anywhere on social media, especially TikTok, y'all know what this book is. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You cannot find this book anywhere. I mean, I went to Barnes and Nobles. You guys will see that later. I went to Barnes and Nobles. I went everywhere to look for this book. I mean, it has been sold out everywhere. On Amazon, people were trying to sell this book for like $240 something, which is crazy. So I just got mine. I am so excited right now. This has I think over 800 herbal recipes in here. I hope y'all can see this. Let me turn the camera a little bit. There's a cure for everything, you guys. They try to make us believe that there's not, but there is a cure for everything. I am so excited to get this book. I got to go through it. I'm sitting here editing right now, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So let me just go to something. I don't know. Something. It got stuff like, I don't even know. I'm just so excited right now. I'm going to give you guys an example of some plants that are in this book. So the first one is prickly pear cactus. Can y'all see that right there? I'm wanting y'all to see that. Prickly pear cactus. Okay. I'm finna read to y'all what it says that it can heal. It tells you all about the plant, the edible use, the medical use, all anti-inflammatory effects of prickly pear fruit are exceptional. Keep a supply of dried fruit for travel, but a fresh juice is best, which is why I'm juicing. I'm telling y'all, for maximum benefits, drink at least 2 ounces of juice every day. This heals arthritis and joint pain, snake bite. Hold on, I'm going to the next page. It heals diabetes, heart disease, cholesterol, circulation, muscle soreness, fatigue. I mean, wow. It tells you how to harvest them. It tells you everything. This is the best book. Here is another example. What's this? Whatever this plant is called. So this plant here, which is the same plant over there, that heals. I mean, it tells you the edible use, medicinal use, and it heals cold sores, genital herpes, diabetes, cancer, stimulates the immune system, heals wounds and skin infections, insect bites, stings, rashes, poison ivy, viral infections, including HIV, respiratory infections, allergies, and chronic inflammation, kidney problems and hypertension, heart problems, liver problems, hemorrhage and bleeding caused by extreme menstruation, digestive problems, colic, Crohn's disease, gastroenteritis, ulcers, and ulcerative colitis, hemorrhoids. But yeah, I'm just a whole bunch of stuff. What is this? I mean, stinging nettle. I don't know. I've never heard of it, but I just wanted to show y'all. I mean, I hope y'all can see this, because it gives every flower, every plant, and what it heals. I don't know. I hope y'all can see this. I'm kind of at a weird angle. But yeah, I have been wanting this book forever. Jerusalem artichoke. Wow. Heals diabetes, digestive problems, enhances the immune system. Fire cider or horseradish vinegar. Look at this. Y'all know, I just told y'all, you know what I mean, in the last clips before this, that I'm about to start doing some canning and all this stuff, because just with that whole fibroid issue, I have found out so much stuff just in research that I have been doing myself personally. So that's the whole reason why I want to do a garden, and just do some other stuff, so I will know what's in the products. But yeah, it's just so much stuff on here. Anyway, I know I'm talking a lot about this, but I'm just so happy to have gotten this book. And I ended up getting this book off of TikTok. If you just type in the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, there are a lot of people that come up. What I look for when I am going to buy, this is my first product. This is my first product that I bought off of TikTok Shop. I had heard it. I've been hearing it. But if you buy something from TikTok, this is just what I did to make sure that it was safe. I go to their comments. I make sure that they're commenting back to people. I make sure that it's a lot of comments. So if you go to anybody and they got like 3 people on their page, they might have just started, and I don't know. I'm just leery about a lot of things when it comes to me. You know, of course, I always use I go to my credit card and I make a one-time use credit card. That's what I do when I buy from places I'm not familiar with. And that's what I did with this. But yeah, this came in a couple days, you guys. Nothing's wrong with it. Brand new, right out the package. I was literally about to order one from the actual publisher. That's how much I wanted this book. But I am so excited. It has about 800 different things in here. But yeah, I'm excited. But make sure it's this, and this is the name that's on here. So you guys can see that. So screenshot that if you need to. But yeah, it's called The Healing Power of Plant Medicine, the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. But I am so excited. Chloe wants to say hi. But yeah, I'm about to go through.
That's what I got in the mail.
You got a free cookie? Yeah.
Yeah, get free cookie.
But yeah, I'm sitting here editing.
Cindy might give me.
Oh, we'll have to see. You have to talk to Dad.
Daddy?
So yeah, I'm just sitting here editing, looking crazy, and just trying to get this video out so I can get it uploaded for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm gonna edit so I can get to this, because I also, let me show you the other book I got. Okay, guys, I also got this Vegetable Gardener's Handbook. So I got some more books coming in the mail, but yeah, I got a book on canning and all that kind of stuff. So I am so excited. So you guys let me know if you're interested in seeing that stuff. I'm not going to put so much of that in my videos just because, you know, that's not what my channel is about. But if you kind of want me to update you on this kind of stuff, y'all have to let me know. I probably update y'all anyway, but y'all let me know. But I wanted to show y'all, this is the book that Sydney recommended for me. You guys, I just got some more packages from Amazon, and the girls, look, they're already down here opening. So I got some peppermint for my garden because they said that that will help keep visitors away. So I got some peppermint. I got this. This is the book I was telling you guys about. It's called Home Preserving from Ball. I got a home canning kit for my canning. And how are we going to start, Sydney?
Already?
Yes. So I got a Sydney thought I was buying a new air fryer, but this is a smart canner. That's what I bought. I am so excited. I really am. So I'm excited to get started. I don't know when I'm gonna actually start, but I wanted to have all my stuff already here. I am so excited about my newfound hobby. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure. You guys, we had a slumber party in the family room yesterday, and we have not cleaned up, but yeah, this was Chloe's bed here. This was my bed, and that was Sydney's bed. So we're being some bums on this Saturday. This Saturday morning, afternoon, I'm just editing, and you know, the girls are just doing whatever they do. So I just wanted to show you guys that real quick, and let me get back to editing.
Keep screaming